Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Surbhi and today we are diving into something every modern business founder is thinking about right now. How do I build a delivery app with advanced AI features without burning millions or spending years? I'm from Apptunix, where we have been building delivery apps for more than a decade now. With over 2,500 projects, we have seen every challenge founders face in this space. Okay, so for one of our clients who was a mid-sized grocery chain in Texas, we built an AI-powered delivery app that reduced their delivery time by 27% in the first month. And we have also built a delivery management system that can get founders live in as fast as 4 to 6 weeks. So today I'm breaking everything down. The essential features your delivery app must include, the AI capabilities that make operations smarter, and how a pre-built delivery management system can help you launch in 7 days. So let's jump in. And hey, if you need to book a demo for a pre-built delivery management system, link is in the description below. First, let's talk about why building a delivery app today is a power move. Whether you run a grocery store, pharmacy, restaurant, cloud kitchen, or even a retail business, customer behavior has changed. People expect 1 hour or same-day delivery, real-time tracking, seamless mobile experience, personalization, thanks to AI. And honestly, platforms like Uber Eats or DoorDash take huge commissions. Owning your app means owning your customers and your profits. I've spoken to dozens of founders who said the same thing. I'm tired of third-party apps eating my margins. If that sounds like you, this video is going to save you months of trial and error. Let's break down the must-have features. These are the basics, the foundation of every successful delivery product. Customer app, beautiful and clean UI, smart search and filtering, add to cart, payments, order history, offers and loyalty. Delivery partner app, orders assigned, route navigation, earnings dashboard, status updates, store or merchant app, manage inventory, accept or reject orders, real-time price edits, slot management, admin panel. This is where founders spend most of their time. Orders overview, delivery partner tracking, assignments, payments and settlements, reports and analytics. Now here's the good news. At Apptunix, 80% of this comes ready-made in a pre-built delivery management software. Clients use it to go from idea to launch much faster and at a much lower cost. Now let's talk AI, the part everyone is excited about. AI isn't just a buzzword. When used right, it can save you money, speed up deliveries, and improve user experience dramatically. Here are the 5 most important AI features any modern delivery app should have. AI auto-assignment of orders. Instead of manually assigning drivers, AI decides based on distance, traffic, driver availability, ratings, delivery load. For one of our clients in Dubai, this feature cut out their manual workload from 2 hours per day to almost 0. AI route optimization. Think Google Maps but smarter. AI calculates the best route in real time, considering weather, road closures, peak hours, customer priority. Founders love this because it cuts fuel costs significantly. AI demand prediction. This is powerful. AI predicts when orders spike, which products will sell more, staffing requirements for the day, inventory requirements. For example, one retail client saw a 22% improvement in stock accuracy using this. AI fraud and anomaly detection. This protects you from fake orders, duplicate accounts, suspicious refunds, and identity issues. Here is where most founders get stuck. Should I build from scratch or use a pre-built solution? Let me break it down simply. Most founders we work with start with the pre-built version, get real customers, make revenue, then upgrade to a fully custom product later. It's a smarter way to reduce risk. Founders always ask, okay, but what is the real cost? Here is a simple range. Now, cost depends on the features, customization, region, and scale. If you are a startup, start lean. Build what is necessary, add features as revenue grows. Alright, That was a complete guide to building a delivery app with advanced AI. If you want to explore AppTunic's free delivery management software or discuss your idea, the links are in the description below. Hit like if this was helpful, subscribe for more founder-focused breakdown. Thank you for watching.